Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello and welcome. I'm Cynthia. So for today's video, I thought I would just rewind and go back to my beauty basics. So today we're gonna be taking off, yes, we're gonna be taking off makeup, and I wanted to try something new with you guys. I've seen this last year, but I've never actually tried it. These are the Erase Your Face reusable makeup removing cloths. Have you guys ever tried this, and what do you guys think? If you guys never heard of this, they're supposed to be like washcloths, but they're made to take off, makeup. And when I feel it, it kind of feels like plush, very, very soft. So this is the packaging. I don't really know what to say about it. Let me just read a little bit about it. This cloth has the ability to remove all types of cosmetics, including waterproof mascara, without the use of harmful chemicals or synthetic makeup removers. With just warm water, each cloth will remove the toughest makeup and will be sure to give you a fresh, clean feeling. We're gonna try it. And what if this actually works? Like, if it works, I don't have to buy makeup wipes anymore. Ooh, see, yeah, my first impression is that the washcloths are so soft compared to regular washcloths. What it looks like. So it'll be really good. Yeah, it's a good size. I would say it's a really good size for a washcloth. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wet this. I'm not gonna like take off any makeup, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair back quick. And how was you guys' Thanksgiving? Did you guys eat a lot? Because I know I did, and I'm so full. Enough talking. I'm going to go ahead and wet this with warm water, and I'll be right back. So I just wrung out the excess water. I'm not going to lie, it was actually kind of hard to like get this whole thing damp and wet. Like, this material was just not absorbing the water. So I guess I'm just going to go ahead and... It just says to wipe your face. So let's start with like the foundation. We're gonna do one side of the face first. This side. Now, mind you, I do wear a lot of makeup. It's like, okay, I need to wet this a little bit more. It's a little bit too dry. This time it's a little bit more wet, and I didn't wring it out as much. So let's see if this works a little more. Maybe I need it to be a little bit more damp. And now it's kind of like almost dripping wet. I can see it taking off my makeup, but right off the bat, I'm not crazy about the way it's taking it off, because I feel like I'm tugging my skin, and the makeup, I can still feel like the residue but I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep going. And I do have matte lipstick on my lips as well. Now let's go ahead and do my brow. See, it's kind of like dripping wet. And the part that we all been waiting for, my eyes. Let me zoom you in a little bit. Oh wow. So that was really easy to just like wipe it off. But I just don't like how this feels on my face. I'm gonna rinse this again and then come back. I'm just gonna... So I can still feel the residue of like makeup on my skin. I'm just gonna go in with some micellar cleansing water on a cotton round to see how much makeup we have left over. So look at this, guys. That's a lot of makeup, and I can tell like this, I don't know, I want to try using it a different way. So let me just go ahead and kind of use it like how I would personally want to use it instead of what was on the instructions. I kind of wanted to follow what the instructions were just because I was doing this video for you guys. But how I would use the washcloth is I would take a makeup cleansing balm. This one is from Cosmetics. So I would take a cleansing balm and use it like how I usually would. So I'm just going to rub it all over my face. I really like using a cleansing balm. I think it's just, personally, it's really easy. I usually take off the balm with a makeup wipe. My main reason of getting the Erase Your Face cloths were because I wanted to use it to take off my balm as opposed to using my makeup wipes. So we'll see if I like it. Okay, so now with the washcloth, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe this all away. Right off the bat, one reason why I do like using this washcloth as opposed to my makeup wipes is that it's warmer, especially with a colder weather. You know, when you don't have the heat on and your makeup wipes are just like cold. Yeah, I would say I like using this cloth. I would say I like using this cloth to take off the makeup balm, but I absolutely like hate using it to just like put on my dry skin alone. Unless I was supposed to like dampen my skin first. I don't know. See? And yeah, it definitely feels more like clean. We're also gonna go ahead and see how much makeup that took off using my micellar cleansing water. This looks different to you guys, it's just the Garnier one, but it's the matte one. Not my favorite. I prefer the original one, the pink one. This one, I don't know, I feel like it just mattifies my face. I'm very oily, so I thought I would like it, but it's just okay. Let's see how much more makeup this took off. You guys, wow, the makeup cleansing balm definitely like hands down worked so much compared to the other one. So I really think that this cloth would be really nice, especially if you guys have sensitive skin. It's really nice to take off makeup if, let's say, you're using a makeup cleansing oil or a makeup cleansing balm and you just want to use it as an alternative to, like, you know, baby wipes or makeup wipes. But I don't recommend using it alone, not at all. I feel like using it alone, as you guys can see in my demo, it's just a little bit too drying and I still have so much makeup on my face. But when you're using this with the makeup cleansing balm, the proof is in the cotton pads. What more do I have to say, really? Will I continue to purchase this? I probably will if I'm still using a makeup cleansing balm and not makeup wipes, just because makeup wipes can get really expensive and you have to constantly buy new ones, you know, like every 2 weeks or so. But this one, I'm hoping that it'll last a long time. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. That is all I have for the review. Let me know if you guys purchased these Erase Your Face washcloths, because they were very interesting. I would never use it alone with just damp water. But using it the way I did on this side of my face with the balm, I really like, and I feel like my skin is so much cleaner. So yeah, that is all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.